Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this holographic blue ombre mermaid scales nail art. So I've already painted my nails with white, and now I'm applying 3 glittery shades of blue on a cosmetic sponge. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. It took me 3 layers of ombre to blend in all the colors and to make it opaque and seamless. Now let's do the cleanup. Now I'm applying my favorite top coat to seal it all in. After letting it dry, I'm using this pattern for the mermaid scales design. Then I'm randomly painting the spaces with a holographic glitter top coat. Then I'm applying a fast-drying top coat onto my nail, letting it dry a bit, leaving a sticky surface. Then stamp the design. Then I did the cleanup. And for the last step, seal your design with a thick coat of glossy top coat. And there you guys have it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like. Watch more videos on my channel and hit subscribe. And share this video to your awesome friends. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!